Hello you guys, welcome to vlogmas day 15. As y'all can see, I'm outside. I'm just getting outside. It is 3:51 and it is rainy today. It's been a rainy day. I should have been outside earlier, but I don't know what's going on this week. I've just been so freaking sleepy. Like I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do to give me energy when I wake up in the morning. Please leave in the comments, what do y'all do so that y'all have energy when y'all wake up? Because it's like when I wake up, I still be tired. And then I'll stay up for a little while, then I'll fall back asleep. I could have did really, really good today if I would have got up when I woke up this morning. I think I woke up around like maybe 6 o'clock. I think it was 6 or either 7. And I stayed up for a little bit and then I went back to sleep. But yeah, so I'm outside now, about to be out here probably all day, honestly, because usually in the rain you can make some good money. It's been saying it's been busy just about all day today, so we finna see if they telling the truth. And I'm gonna just take y'all along with me. So today's just about to be a work day, outside working, making some money. I will come back when I have my first order. Definitely lied about it being busy, but we got our first order. 2 customers, $14 at Panera. I'm currently sitting in the parking lot. I'm about to get out. Let me see. I'm gonna get out in probably like 2-3 minutes and go inside and see if it's done. I am so freaking hungry. I'm gonna put some chicken wings in my air fryer. I don't know if I want to do french fries or mashed potatoes and maybe green beans. So hopefully after we complete this order, we'll be able to get another order faster. So this is one, and then this is the second one. She got those, well, he or she got those smoothies. Now let's go ahead and confirm these pickups and get on out of here. That actually did not take long at all. The girl was real nice in there. All right, let's confirm these. Confirm. All right. Oop. Move. All right, I don't like going out to these apartments. This one says $5.50. Oh, I hate when they stack them like that. I hate that. Like, DoorDash should know by now that I don't do no freaking $5 orders. But whatever. It's too late now. We got it. And I hate going out here. These apartments are so freaking ghetto. But maybe because it's raining, it won't be anybody outside. I'm mad. I'm mad, bro. But let's go ahead and get this one out the way. First delivery is dropped off. The girl came to the door looking so confused. First off, she took forever. Seemed like it probably was just 2 minutes, but she comes to the door looking confused. Like, did you forget you ordered something? Come on, take this food. She act like she didn't want to grab it for real. You the one that said hand it to me. But I am 6 minutes away from the second customer. And this one is a leave at door, and they left instructions to leave it on a chair. So I ain't gotta stand there, I ain't gotta talk, I ain't gotta look at nobody. Love that for me. Love that for me. So I have my next order. This one is $16. 2 customers. I have to go to Cracker Barrel and Carrabba's. Good thing they are close by each other. Then they just put another one up here, but this one is $15 12 miles, so it's not that good. But yeah, let's go get this stuff. I did not want to go down that way, but we just gonna take it so that we can keep moving. So after this, we'll be at 30. Just off of 2 orders. 2 stacks. I think that is pretty good. We got both orders right here. Both orders were ready when I walked in.
Shorty off a Insta.
Oh, you guys, we just got a freaking 72. Wait, let me look at it. Hold on. We just got a freaking $72.79 Costco order on Instacart. I was not even expecting to get an Instacart order tonight, honestly, because I didn't want to shop, so I wasn't really paying attention to it. But I was like, let me come back this way because we might get like a Buffalo Wild Wings order or something, Red Robin. Bro, that popped up on my phone. I clicked on that so fast. I'm like, let me see what the items are. No waters, just food. So I'm about to go in here and knock this out, and it shouldn't be too busy right now because it's 6:18 and it's raining outside. It is 14.2 miles, 2 customers. I don't care, bro. It's over $70. So fingers crossed that they have everything in here and this doesn't take me long to do, so that we can finish this up and maybe do some more DoorDash. But we just made over 100 today. I didn't think I was gonna be able to do that. I'm excited. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. Hopefully we don't get tip bait. Ooh! You gonna, oh my god, this water. Bro. It just slowed down some, but it was just raining like crazy. Like I could barely see. I need to be in the house. I told my boo to be careful, baby. I need to be careful. Let's see where I'm about to park at. I'm gonna go down here. But yeah, I definitely have to come and tell y'all that. Move out the way. Like, they literally just walking in the middle of the street. Like, I know y'all see my lights. I want to blow my horn so bad. I could have parked right there. Like, they're literally walking in the middle of the street like they can't get hit. Are you invisible? Do you think you're invisible? I look, you want to park right here. Ooh, don't hit this car. All right. I'm about to go in here and knock this order out. Now I want somebody to talk to while I'm in here doing this. I might call my grandma or something. Here is the order. And then the second customer stuff is inside of this box.
Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I see?
Oh, that looks so pretty. This was an easy order. I only had to refund. I don't know if I told y'all, but I only had to refund 1 item, which I'm still sad about, but it shouldn't go down too much. Is it right here? I think it's right here. I gotta turn around. Let me turn around. As you know, people never like to have their lights on, so I can't really see. Can't see what I'm looking for. Like, what is this? Is this 27? I don't want to walk up to somebody's house and get boomed. Oh shit. Oh, I think this is it right here. Ah! Okay. Found it. 27. Please don't hit that. Please don't hit that. Please. Alright. we're here. Whew.
Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chuck to look around. Find one to see my type. Now my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife. But I do know one thing.
That was easy. Simple. This next drop off is the one that's further away. 9 miles away. Put the seatbelt back on. Gonna turn on some music and ride out. Whew. Not gonna lie, I did miss Instacart a little bit. Not gonna lie, but I've been having fun doing DoorDash because it's so quick, like just in and out for the most part. But Instacart is great when they have good orders up there because it's so much easier. It's so much faster to reach your goal. Like you'll still be able to reach your goal with DoorDash and Uber Eats, but it'll take you a little longer because the orders are smaller. So I'm definitely happy I got this $73 order. And it is 7:38 now. So I don't know, I might try to do another order after this. Like I literally have nothing to do. All I have to do is go home and edit this video. But if it's still busy, then I might try to do like 1 or 2 more orders after this. Because I'm pretty sure this vlog is about to be short. I ain't do much today. So all I did was work. So it would have been longer if we didn't get this Instacart order. Because I would have kept doing DoorDash and stuff. But we got a big order. And who am I to decline a $72 order? That would be crazy to me. Especially something so simple with no cases of water, no heavy stuff. I can't turn that down. Yes, sirski. Tell me what you see in me. Bro, hurry up! What are you doing? The fuck? What was that? It's so weird. I'm back by the restaurant. I'm gonna sit out for a little bit longer. If nothing comes up, then I'm going home because I'm honestly ready to eat. My chicken should most definitely be thawed out completely by now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just do the mashed potatoes and green beans. Yeah, that sound pretty good to me. But today has been a great day. I honestly did not expect to make that much. The order actually went up to $75.38. Why didn't this pop up when I was up that way? I could have did this. I could have did this order and then went home. This is a $13 order. I was literally by the store though. Yeah, so that's probably it for today. Did a little work. I don't know what tomorrow is gonna be like. I don't know if I'm gonna see my boo. I know he'll be back home tomorrow, but I don't know if I'm gonna see him tomorrow. I might see him tomorrow, Saturday. It's finna be lit. Finna be lit. It's always a good time when we're together. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a couple more minutes, maybe till like 8:20, and if nothing pops up by then, I'm gone because I still gotta edit and cook, and also I need to send out an email to one of the customers, and I also need to pack these orders up because I might actually drop those off tonight. but y'all will see that in a separate video. So yeah, if we get another order, then I'll come back and y'all will still see me in the car. If not, then I'll be in the house.